On today's video, we're trying something we've never tried before, at least here. Now, believe you me, I've used this marinade many a times. You're gonna wanna de-seed the chilies. Tacos al pastor. Let's get to cooking. All right, so for the marinade, this is a busy marinade, but I promise you this is worth it. Achiote paste. Tell me if I'm getting this wrong, but it's like Cuban coriander, what else? Oregano, cloves, and garlic made into a paste. It's popular in Southern cuisine for the coloring and the flavoring, so I understand why. So for the chilies, we got 3 Diablos, 3 anchos, and 6 of the Mexican chilies, guajillo. We de-seeded them and steeped them in hot water that's still hot. Now, if you want your marinade a little hot, don't de-seed them, but I warned you. That's all I can say. So we got pineapple, garlic, 1/4 of an onion, cilantro, pineapple juice, orange juice, white vinegar. So traditional al pastor tacos, you thinly slice the pork, put it on a skewer, put it on a spit. We don't got that. But it's 1 pound of heavy, coarse grind pork butt. Now, I'm gonna start this, and then I'm gonna add liquid as needed to get the consistency that I like. I'm just using water. That's it. You can strain it if you want. I don't. I like it a little rough. Save that for the next recipe. You want to marinate this for at least 4 hours. But lucky us, we did this yesterday. So we already have a bag in the fridge. So we'll put this one in. All right. Get me some tortillas down. And this makes a ton of tacos. I'm going, man. I'm gonna hit this with a little bit of our fajita rub. Also in the Q Lab, we'll have a link. You can head on over to cosmosq.com. It's right on the main page. Click on it, sign up, make sure you read the instructions and get the password right. We do a lot of cool flavors in there each and every month. I'm telling you right now, that marinade is one of the best marinades. Don't get me wrong, you can go buy this stuff at your local Mexican store. This is homemade right here. Back years ago when we ran the Texas-Mexico trails, this is how we made tacos al pastor on the trail. The char is real. Let's transfer. Come on, man, you got that? Yep. This is how we would build them on the trail. Little onion, cilantro. Gotta have that chunky salsa. It's the Kosmos. 6-shooter. Can't forget that lime. Woo-hoo! It's hot. Anybody, anywhere, anytime. Kid Kosmo's coming for you. That little sucker's good. Well, hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you like what we're doing, make sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell so you don't miss a thing. And if you want this recipe, I promise you, you do. Head on over to cosmosq.com/recipes, print it off, make it for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. So we use guajillo, chili diablo, guajillo, ancho. What's the fucking other one? Diablo, how you say it?
They are bold.
Yeah, do it.